channel. My name's Megan and I'm your body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds. So today I'm going to take you through a full day of my eating plan. I am on the highest eating plan. First of all, I am doing Ultimate Portion Fix, and that involves using these containers. And if you're like, wait Megan, that's 21-day fix, I've done it, been there, done that, didn't work for me. Well, they redid the entire program. It now comes with videos that's going to step-by-step walk you through how to do things, how to maneuver the grocery store, how to figure out what eating plan you're on. There's 3 different eating plans depending on your body, what you want to do for goals. There's a family plan. There is a whole bunch with this new program. I am giving this a try again. I did it a long time ago and I had really good results. And I'm on the highest eating plan, which means I have to eat a lot of food. And there is such a big myth when it comes to health and fitness, is that you have to hardly eat anything or restrict yourself or not do this or not do that. Believe it or not, the more you weigh, the more you have to eat. So it is a lot of food. I'm going to show you what I eat today, and hopefully it can inspire you to go on your own health and fitness journey. As always, I run my monthly boot camps. If you are interested, make sure you fill that form out in the description. All right, let's eat. So for breakfast today, I just have some bacon and eggs sizzling back there. And then I'm also gonna pair that with a little bit of cottage cheese. And then I'm not really like a cottage cheese eater, but I have to get my proteins in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some strawberries, mix that in with the cottage cheese. It makes it so much easier to be able to eat. They always get my egg juice. So I'm at work now. First snack of the day is a banana, which counts as a purple container. You know, hold on. I've only been doing this meal plan for like 2 days, and I'm not a very big fruit eater, and I used to have really bad pain in my thighs, and it's from lack of potassium, and already that pain is getting so much better. Usually I'm really busy on Thursdays, and for some reason it's not, probably because it's really nasty and windy. So instead of making a salad and making something where I need to sit down and really eat it, what I do when I know I'm busy to get all my veggies in is just make assorted vegetables. Sometimes I cut up peppers, celery and carrots are totally my go-to. I will cut up cucumbers, anything that just can be eaten really quickly between customers. I will dip a tiny little bit of ranch. There is a Fix approved ranch that you can make that's more healthier than the store-bought. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna eat these, hopefully in between customers, and then I will show you what I'm having for my main course for lunch. Finally, time to have some lunch. So my lunch for the week is chicken salad, and I try to get in more servings of veggies with my chicken salad. So I will chop up a lot of celery, and then I'll also get a serving of fruit in there as well, and I have some grapes. So it's basically just cooked chicken, little bit of Greek yogurt, a smidgen of mayonnaise, because I am not a fan of just plain Greek yogurt, lots of pepper, celery, and then grapes. Along with that, I also have an apple, and then if I don't have cheese at dinner time, I will also treat myself to a cheese snack for lunch. And I know it seems like I'm just kind of like pecking. This is basically like eating for a day, especially at work, because I'm always just trying to eat in between clients. So I try to get as much as I can in before my next client comes. And I also forgot that I have 2 pieces of whole grain bread that I will put my chicken salad on. I don't like to make my sandwiches ahead of time just in case. I don't want it to get all soggy, nothing like that. So I will either eat it plain, or I will kind of use my bread as a cracker. You're probably like, this is the weirdest meal eating in a day ever. Yeah, it kind of is. Kind of just picking throughout the day. So I'm also having for a snack one of these peanut butter chocolate bars. If you're interested in these, I will definitely leave a link for you. They are soy-free, gluten-free, protein, only 150 calories, and they taste really yummy too. So if you want to give them a try, that's what they look like. So good. I love peanut butter. I could just spoon peanut butter into my mouth. But yes, another little snack that I'm having today. So nights like this, when I am really busy at work, I do use Hellofresh. It's not something that I do all the time, but work has been crazy busy lately. So this is the Monterey chicken breast from Hellofresh, and I will have mine without the bun because the bun is like really high and not on the food plan, and then my husband's gonna have his with the bun. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all set. It is the next day. Unfortunately, I had some really fluke thing happen where I bent down to put the drain stopper in the tub, and when I came back up, I really pulled my back, so I was unable to finish what I ate in a day. I was in a crazy amount of pain. Let's hope that this is just a pulled muscle, and I'll be back to working out in no time. But for now, it's even better time to focus on nutrition. So normally, lately, I have been drinking my shake at night, my superfood shake, and I've been using it kind of like as a dessert, mostly because when I eat clean, which is what this food is eat clean, I tend to be a lot hungry, especially at night. So I'm hoping that I can get my body together, and then I can start drinking this during the day because it really gives you like natural energy. It prevents that 3 p.m. crash, all the good stuff. So gonna end this vlog. Cheers to the shake. Vanilla, peanut butter, almond milk, ice, a little bit of water. Tastes just like peanut butter. All right guys, I'll be back with another video very soon.